80,000 miles on this beast. Literally no issues except a light bulb. Toyota. If you ain't driving a Toyota, I don't know what you're driving, but man, they make these cars work. They're really good cars, and I am shocked as hell. 80,000 miles. Check this out. Watch. This is insane. I ain't even lying. Officially 80,000 miles. Now it's not pretty. This vehicle is not pretty, not brand new, but I can promise you I put 50,000 miles on this thing in 6 months. And I had zero issue with this vehicle, zero. Except, I can't say zero, light bulb. The only issue I just had, 80,000 miles and boom, the light bulb goes out. What the heck? Man, Toyotas is something different. Toyotas are a different breed of vehicles. I've had a lot of vehicles, Infinitis, BMWs, Lexuses, but nothing beats a Toyota. I put 50,000 miles on this thing in 6 months. The only issue, a light bulb at 80,000 miles. Can you believe that? That is literally unheard of. Don't believe me? 80,000 miles, watch. And it's below zero right now. Check this out. Boom, 80,000 miles. Light bulb, the only issue. Good cars? Yes.